Melania Trump knows the importance of healthy eating, but just like the rest of us, every now and then she likes to treat herself. When the First Lady wants to indulge, this is one of her favorite spots, the world-famous John George restaurant at the Trump International Hotel in New York. And nothing on the menu delighted her more than the chicken parmesan. It's not cheap at $68, but it is so good. But most days, Melania sticks to a simple and healthy diet, which explains how great she looks. She tries to eat 7 pieces of fresh fruit each day. Reportedly, her 2 favorites are peaches and apples. The 49-year-old former model starts the day with a smoothie made with spinach, carrots, and blueberries. She blends it up with a little apple juice and fat-free yogurt. She also has other indulgences, including dark chocolate and even the occasional ice cream, but is careful about portion sizes. Whatever she's doing, it seems to be working for her.